Good morning everyone. My name is Ishita Gracie and I'm from AVNTPC Ramaguntam. Today I'm going to present a model in front of you all, and the topic of this model is green hydrogen production and its uses. As we know, energy is a very essential part of our life and we need energy to do many things. More than 80% of our energy requirements are fulfilled by fossil fuels such as coal, gas and oil. And as we know, they are not sustainable, and when we burn them to produce energy, many harmful and toxic gases are released in our atmosphere such as CO2, SO2, and also they are not sustainable and they cause global warming and pollution. So the world needs to move towards energy transition. Now, what is energy transition? Energy transition is moving towards renewable sources of energy such as solar energy and wind energy in place of fossil fuels such as coals, gas and oil. So, green energy is a very important part of this energy transition. Now, what is green hydrogen? Green hydrogen is hydrogen produced by splitting water into two different parts using electricity which we are getting from renewable sources such as solar panels and windmills. Now, how do we electrolyze water and what is the process of getting this hydrogen, this green hydrogen? So, as we know, solar panel consists of many solar or photovoltaic cells which converts solar energy or sunlight into electricity. And here, this is a windmill. Windmill converts wind energy into kinetic energy and kinetic energy into electricity. Let me show you how this windmill rotates. This is how the windmill rotates. And here, this is a water source. This tap is showing the water source from where we are getting the water for electrolyzing it. From the electricity which we get from this solar panel and windmill is further supplied into this electrolyzer for splitting the water into two different parts, oxygen and hydrogen. Now, what is an electrolyzer? An electrolyzer is a device which splits water into two components, oxygen and hydrogen. Further, when we get this hydrogen, it can be stored in a hydrogen storage cylinder and it can be further transported into different parts of the world for its usage. Now, what are its uses? So, here, this is a hydrogen fuel aeroplane which is using hydrogen as its fuel. And this is a house which has a fuel cell and it generates electricity using this fuel cell and from the fuel hydrogen. And this is a kitchen which is using hydrogen as its fuel to cook food. And this is a hydrogen powered car, and here this is a hydrogen powered truck. Which has solar backup. And here we can use it for many purposes. And let us talk about the advantages. The advantages are that the efficiency of this fuel cell which we are using to generate electricity from hydrogen, this fuel cell's efficiency is more than 60%, which is much more than the efficiency of coal thermal powers and of fossil fuels. And also, one more advantage is there that it produces no carbon dioxide or SO2 like harmful, toxic and very diseaseful gases in our atmosphere, and it is a clean method. So now let us talk about the concerns. The major concerns are safety and it's quite expensive. So if we talk about safety, safety is required in all thermal power plants, like when we burn coal to produce electricity, safety is required there too. Now if we talk about the price, as we know, in the earlier times, the solar panels and windmills were also very costly, but day by day they are getting cheaper. So one day will come when this green hydrogen will also get cheaper. So all I want to say is green hydrogen is the fuel of our future. Thank you.